So the CrunchLabs HackPack turret here has challenges you can do after you build it. First challenge being add support for another IR remote, like this Sony Trinitron remote for my retro setup. Not only are we going to add a few buttons from this remote, but we're going to add a feature, Parental Control Lock, that I can use when they think they have the drop on me. And another feature where I can push a button and it spins 180 degrees and fires all the rockets. This one's pretty easy and can be done entirely within the HackPack IDE. So let's get started.
We're going to move to the Level 3 tab, and then click on Restore Code to reset what's currently uploaded to the Arduino. Once it's uploaded, make sure you test the turret to make sure it's back to stock. First, we're going to look at this list that has a bunch of defines in it, and this is where we associate IR commands with variable names. Further down, we see that when we send an unrecognized command, we're going to output it to the console. So click on Monitor, and then you should see some logs in the output here. And when we press our button, we see one is 0x14. And if we scroll down, we'll see the other is 0x15. Now we can add these to the define list. And when you do add these to the define list, make sure you add them with a descriptive name. Now scroll down, and in your global variables, let's add a Boolean for its current locked state. And make sure to initialize it to false. Finally, before the switch statement, we need to add logic so that if we push the power button, we lock the turret, and if we push the mute button, we unlock the turret. Next, we want to add another button for our trap. The OK button on this remote is 0x65, so we need to add this to the define list. Then we want to add this new command to our switch statement. Through trial and error, 5 seems to be close to spinning 180 degrees, and then fire all the darts. Turn your monitor off, build and push, and test it out. If you like what we did here, be sure to subscribe, since in the next video we're going to add an ultrasonic distance sensor to the front, some LEDs, and create a sentry mode.